everyone. So I hope you all are doing superbly awesome. So today I'm going to share you how to organize your fridge. Personally, I organize my fridge in this way, and you can also organize your fridge in this way if it's helpful. I mean, you will get to know. You can store your stuff in that way, like how I store and keep my fridge organized. I won't say it's completely organized, but yeah, it is organized. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so this is my fridge. It's a double door Samsung fridge. So yeah, it's a big and beautiful fridge. I just love it personally. So here is this is me. Hi. So yeah, basically here we store all the stuff which is dry fruits and all the dry stuff over here, and in this we store all the fruits, vegetables and all that stuff. And one more thing cool about this fridge is that you can, if you want to take bottles, then you can just press this and you can easily take out the bottles. You don't need to open the fridge 100 times for the bottles. So all the cold bottles are over here. So this is the best part about it. Now I'll open it and show you how to organize from inside. So inside you can see I have all the store. I just open it and keep. So first thing which I'm having is this way. I'll just give you overall the view of it. So this is the way I organize my fridge. First of all, the above here I have kept tomatoes in this box because if you store your vegetables in a box, it really it remains fresh for the longer period of time. Then here is the leftover gravy from last night. Here I've stored all the spinach. Inside this is the spinach. Then coming to the lower portion, I have all my oranges and mosambis over here. So, and this is here I've stored some spring onions, and in this I have leftover again some bhaji, some vegetable in that. Okay, then here I've stored all the fruits. As you can see, if you store in a particular basket, your fridge really looks organized. So I suggest everyone to just keep in a small container whatever fruits are there. Then below I have again in this box, this was an ice box, so I've kept inside all the mosambis. In this small little basket I have all the apples inside that. Here is one again bottle. Then coming to the lower portion, here I have some pineapples inside this, chopped pineapples. Yeah, I'll just open it and show. You can really chop your vegetables and keep. So this is the pineapple. So one more thing I would suggest to everyone is that you should chop your vegetables properly and keep inside. It will remain for the longer period of time. Then here I have my vinegar bottle. Then comes this side. Here I have a few milk packets, and I store usually milk. I just boil in the morning and then I store it in this container, a glass container. Here again some dairy products, leftover cream from milk I keep in this box, and then later on I use it to make ghee. Here are some sweets. Then in this container I personally keep all the curd. Curd is inside this, so curds remain fresh for the longer period of time. And here is some, I guess, a kheer. Then below here I have vegetable. Now I guess vegetable is not there. Yeah, just this thing, pumpkin. This bottle gourd, you say, this radish, and then edamame or something. This is wal palli in Hindi we say. And here is some cabbage and cucumber inside. So yeah, if you come to this portion, you will see I have stored all the lemons in this box. So all the lemon is in this box. Then you can store your ginger like this in sealed packets. Ginger is here. Then I have this green chili inside this packet. It really remains fresh. Then I have this coriander in this packet. This way you can store your green chili, coriander and ginger. It will really remain fresh for the longer period of time. Then coming to this portion, I have a small tray where I've kept the medicine. Inside this I have the small container glass. I have all the ketchups and all. Sachet. In this I have green mint. Then here are all my pasta sauce, tamarind sauce and salsas. Pizza sauce and all that thing, soya sauce, vinegar. Then here are few bottles. Then down here you can see my soya sauce, green chili, red chili, green chili vinegar. So yeah, basically this is the fridge, you can see. So yeah, it is like, if you store in this fashion for the longer period, it looks so organized. I hope you all liked this section. Now moving on to the next section, that is this dry area. Let's just open it and show. Now to this dry area, again here I have my Kellogg's oats inside this, oats bite. Then below I have in these container, this is couscous, and this is again instant idli mix. Then I have instant dokla mix, then oats inside this, cereals and all. So yeah, inside this we keep all the ice. And basically down I have these few packets. This is my idli dosa mix, my oats inside this, then my idli instant mix, again my oats packet. This way it really remains fresh. Now below in this we don't have anything. Now in this section I have my granola. This is cranberry granola inside this. And moving on to the side area, here I have granola laddu. These are the chia seeds. Then here I have some coffee packets, and below I have, this is kaju, and this is almond, that is badam. So yeah, this is the thing. I hope you all enjoyed this my fridge. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I hope you all liked my organization video. This is the way how I organize. I hope it was helpful to you too, and if you liked it, then just give a thumbs up. It will mean a lot to me. And of course, do take care of yourself. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.